organization thrive in crisis. You've watched the news. You've seen the scary stuff happening in the world. The future is uncertain, and you're now facing one of the greatest tests of your leadership. How can you prepare for something you didn't see coming? How can you best respond to the challenge instead of reacting to it? It's natural to feel anxious during a crisis, and as a business owner or leader, your people are waiting for you to step up and give them courage. You can emerge from the challenges of today with a stronger, more resilient organization. We can help. Leading Through Crisis is the leader's guide to succeeding in turbulent times. As the former CEO of a $250 million corporation and the founder and CEO of a multi-million-dollar leadership development company, Michael Hyatt knows what it's like to respond to a crisis as a leader. During the recession of 2008, Michael Hyatt faced a challenge with Thomas Nelson Publishers. Many were fearful about the state of our economy and looked to him for guidance. But Michael and his leadership team implemented a game plan that resulted in saving the company and allowing it to thrive in the toughest economy. In Leading Through Crisis, Michael wants to equip you with the strategy to emerge successful in crises like COVID-19. This online course will teach you how to ensure a steady, reliable mindset no matter how bad it gets. Use simple practices to ground yourself in 4 areas and set the stage for confident decision-making. Assess your unique vulnerabilities in the 4 most important areas of your business. Create a tiered, risk reduction response using my 4-step process. Identify the opportunities most advantageous to your business from least risky to most risky. Create an effective communication plan for your team and customers that inspires confidence in you and them. In the course, you'll receive downloadable tools and templates to help your organization fight the COVID-19 crisis and other challenges you may face in the future. Includes tools such as personal resources inventory, to take stock of the resources you have to combat the crisis. Grounding habits record, to help you in the battle in your mind as you implement your action plan. Business vulnerability assessment, to help you assess your top 5,7 vulnerabilities in the business that need to be addressed now. Risk mitigation planner, to organize your response to each of the risks you face. Crisis opportunity maximizer, to distill your thinking into a product plan for thriving amid the crisis. Crisis communication planner, to strategize the when, how, and who behind communicating your action plan. Layoff decision maker, to help you decide if layoffs are necessary and take the right next steps if they are. Cash flow scenario planner, to forecast your cash flow and see what's on the horizon for your business. Once you complete this course, you'll have the tools and strategies you need to confidently lead in turbulent times. IYF Forex Crash Course Online Seminar Growth Hacker Marketing by Ryan Holiday. Happy Subscribers Toolkit by Rail and 10 Relative Posts.